Yes, this is Anambra State viewland. This is the boundary between Anambra and Imo. Isn't it the Newi? We are there now. And I know the way these people say, Bunde Mother and I like it. In here, Basara, Biafra, and Ebuka. They do those about Biafra and Ebuka. But I know Simon Ekpa will pay for the blood of innocent souls that he kills in Southeast. Simon Ekpa is not on the Southeast. They are telling your men to kill and destroy the Igbo people's property, the Igbo's properties, the Southeast properties. You pay for the souls of those boys. And in terms of Anambra State, I heard you say it loud and clear that it's turn, it's Anambra turn. But I'm trying to tell you that we're a failure. Don't dare Anambra State. Any of your men that died in Anambra State, their blood will be upon your head. Because Anambra is a peaceful state. We don't need all this nonsense. Kidnapping, robbing, raping, killings of our brothers. You are outside there, you are in a field land, telling them to kill and destroy. Is that how to achieve the freedom? Kanjoge, one night working, one about. Oh, take a yes, what a freedom. Echido Munege Buo, Umunega Kusina gas school. Umunega Kusina Sofia, Otaka is what the freedom. But you know, na Finland in the region for Umugena gas school, we in a go on a Finland. A potaporo money, or do any more here, then you peanuts. Ndembo Wabundoga, Epopotarano Nimoya, Ebuka Rotana kidnapping. And Motondi, Umazi Buhari, Hal Zurezu, Bukasiare, Hetukwega Boso. Most of them are a country. Onyepa Jonki or Buffalo. You did not mobilize Omas and then when you hammer. Then when you hammer, Chichu and Imoya. Now, sir, kill, destroy, and others. God will punish you. Their blood is upon your head. Amen. All our youths now this struggle because you deceive them. Their blood is upon your head. Amen. You must pay for whatever you sold. Killing our innocent souls. Killing our innocent people. We hear for the first time before the video about the struggle. When you buy a struggle, we no going back, which is very bad. If you don't say anymore, money and night every blessed day. Ogo Chuku, Loro Ogo Biafra, O Tirego Nea, Tinego Nkia, we lo Ogo Biafra. One for Igbo Buru, one for Southeast Oburu, one your kidnap, one your property, one your Ore Prumunia, one your Guru, one your. But now, Nimoya, oh my Munya in nine. During Nimoya, oh my Sayada go out. What's in the Naganozo? Simon Ekpa, you must pay for the blood. But I'm warning you, don't allow these people, any of them, Batara Anambra, Onwabara de Ginisi. Anambra State, with security. We are a peaceful state. We don't need your help. We don't need your help in Anambra State. Anambra State is a peaceful state. That is the only state Anambra Christmas in the Southeast. I was not wicked. Stop killing people. Stop killing people if you are talking of Biafra. You could low down. Not by killing your brothers, your sisters, your friends, and our mothers and our fathers, our children. That's not the way of achieving the freedom. No, we say no to that. Please, Simon Ekpa, repent now before it's too late. Repent now before it's too late. Stop killing our people. I warn you. Their blood is upon your head. Our men don't want any more here. It's not an actual Biafra. Simon Ekpa can do again. They're going to kill their family. So, that paper he gave that and then he learned the struggle. ego ole ka inyere their family. That paper anwa ịmakwa na ndị niile ha na-egbusi bụ di mmadụ, nwanne mmadụ, nwa mmadụ, and nna mmadụ. Ịkpọpụta onwe ha n'ime ọhịa. Ịmakwa na ihe na-ebi n'ime ọhịa wa n'ọhịa. Otu a ka esi ịzọ Biafra na mbụ. Anambra State bụ ndị bidoro di Biafra. Not this way. Gị nwa Aba itinyeze nke gị n'ụdị a igbusi ndị mmadụ. Anyị afụgo ka obi gị dị igbusi youth niile nọ na Anambra State. Lee ka ụmụ nwaanyị na-agagharị di ha nọrọsi. You have killed all their husbands.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thanks for joining me in this video. Anyway, someone sent me this video and I decided to react to it. As you can see, I don't know whom the gunmen are, but their message is simple. I understand that indeed that a lot of people are dying in the southeast. I wouldn't say a lot of people anyway. Some people are dying in the southeast because of insecurity. And the question people are trying to ask, who is truly behind insecurity in the southeast? Yeah, who is truly behind insecurity? For me, this is my own opinion. Let me know your own opinion in the comment section. But my own opinion is that it doesn't make sense that someone will kill his brother and so on and so forth. Even anybody at all. It doesn't make sense that someone will intentionally kill anybody. Yeah, it doesn't make sense to anyone at all. And another side of the story is that it is important for us to dig deep. You see, Southeast is one of the most peaceful region in Nigeria as of, a decade ago. So I'm surprised to be seeing all these things. Whoever that is behind the killing in the Southeast, I think it is time to stop. But however, the killing in the Southeast is of three angles. Through my research, I was able to understand that politics of bitterness, according to Okocha, according to Uzodema, according to Andex OT, these three prominent Igbo, sons, they have confirmed that, politics of bitterness is among the things that are causing insecurity in the Southeast. That is number one. Then number two is people who came from outside Igbo, outside Igbo land. I mean, people who are terrorists, like all those Bororo Fundanese, who are kidnapping, doing all sort of things against the people and so on and so forth. These people are part of the people who are terrorizing. Then the third one is this, that might be some conflict arising from parties who are agitating for Biafra, challenging, the Nigerian state, Nigerian military, trying to defend themselves because of the killing and atrocities of the Nigerian army. From my own research, I discovered that it happened. Yes, it happened. So these are the three angles. Now, as I said, I condemn in totality the killing of any human being. I condemn in totality the killing of any human being. But what I'm trying to figure out is this. Yes, if we are putting out in stopping maybe the challenge of people who are agitating for Biafra, I think it's very easy to stop. Yes, it's very easy to stop. For people who are aggrieved, maybe they were attacked by the soldiers, it's very easy to stop. But the one that will not be easy to stop is the political motivated insecurities. The political motivated insecurities. Time without number, have been able to establish facts that politicians do sponsor insecurity. And when you are thinking that, oh, it is people who are agitating are doing this, when those people stop and the insecurity does not stop, what are you going to do? So it is important we also figure out what is the, the root cause of the insecurity. Because at the end, people will be surprised that it's not even agitation that is causing the killing. So people will realize late. And don't quote me wrong. I said from my own research, I discovered that the insecurity in the Southeast is from three angles. From political sponsor insecurity that emanated from the politics of bitterness. Number two are the infiltrated terrorists who came from outside Igbo land. And these people are majorly terrorizing in Enugu state and Ebonyi state. Yes, these two states are terrorizing well. Then, the insecurity in Imo state is of two types. Insecurity in Imo state is from politics of bitterness. Hope Uzodema was able to confirm this on Arise News. No, on Channels Television. Yes, I have the video on Channels Television. Then, also, there are challenges of Biafra agitators in Imo state as well, confronting the opposite party. I was able to figure out that through my research. I questioned people from Mondo, people from different areas. I have their videos, but I don't want to publish it. I know the reason why I don't want to publish it. So these are the reason why all the things I figure out from everything that is going on. Let me know what you think on the comment section. But please, I think, enough is enough. It is time for us to give peace a chance. But, you know, that does not mean you are going to stop anything you are doing. Maybe you are struggling or you are agitating. Like I said, I'm not against Biafra agitation. You understand? Me, I'm not against it at all. And I can never be against it because every group of people, every nation has their own right to agitate for their own country. So why should I be against them? I'm not against them. So what I'm trying to say is that I am against killings. I am against killings in totality. And I think we can do this better. For politicians who are sponsoring insecurity, for Bororo Fundanis who have infiltrated in Igbo land, I want Igbo to pay more attention to these people, because when Nnamdi Kanu was arrested, they accused Nnamdi Kanu of the causes of insecurity in the southeast. Who is saying that Nnamdi Kanu is the cause again now? Nobody, because they have come to realize that it is not him. Forget what he said on Radio Biafra and all those things. That's we discover that it's not the man. So that is why, based on my experience, that is why I am saying what I'm saying today. Thank you for listening to me. Let me know what you think on the comment section.